Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that the pudding base is prepared, it's time to bake, drizzle, and finish it with that signature sticky toffee sauce. This stick transforms a simple sponge into a golden, irresistible classic. The secret to the sauce: rich toffee caramel preparation. The toffee sauce is what elevates this dish from a nice cake to a spectacular dessert. It requires only 3 main ingredients: butter, sugar, and cream. Use dark brown sugar for a deeper, molasses-like flavor, or a small amount of treacle, molasses, if you want that pronounced traditional dark caramel taste. The sauce is made on the stovetop. Combine the butter, brown sugar, and a splash of water, heating gently until the butter melts and the sugar dissolves. Bring the mixture to a low simmer. Once simmering, add the heavy cream. This is where the sauce takes on its luxurious color and flavor. Continue to simmer the sauce gently for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. It should thicken slightly and achieve a deep, rich color. Avoid vigorous boiling or overcooking, which makes the sauce too stiff or hard once it cools. A perfect toffee sauce should be pourable and glossy. How to serve it hot: topping ideas that make sticky toffee pudding shine. This dessert must be served warm. The warmth allows the sauce to seep into the sponge, melting and blending the flavors. A warm dessert also demands something cool and creamy to contrast the heat and richness. This combination creates the complete, unforgettable eating experience. Classic pairings: custard, cream, and vanilla ice cream. You cannot go wrong with the traditional pairings, which perfectly balance the intensity of the toffee and date sponge. Custard. A smooth, velvety creme anglaise or a thick vanilla custard provides a silky blanket for the pudding. The eggs and cream in the custard offer richness while reducing the dessert's intensity. Vanilla ice cream. This topping gives you a delightful hot and cold contrast. The cool, melting ice cream cuts through the dessert's sweetness, and the vanilla complements the dark caramel notes beautifully. Heavy cream. Simple double cream or heavy cream provides a clean, neutral richness. It prevents the dish from becoming saccharine by softening the impact of the toffee. Fun twists: adding salted caramel or extra flavor. While the traditional version is perfect, simple variations can add an exciting twist and textural interest. Salted caramel effect. Stir a pinch of sea salt, fleur de sel works well, into the finished toffee sauce. This simple addition transforms the topping into a deeply flavorful salted caramel, enhancing the toffee's complexity. The salt balances the sugar brilliantly. Textural crunch. Top the finished dish with lightly toasted pecans or walnuts. The nuts add a necessary layer of crunch, contrasting the softness of the sponge and the slipperiness of the sauce. Aromatic spices. Consider mixing a small amount of cinnamon or cardamom into the dry cake ingredients before baking. These cozy spices pair perfectly with the date and caramel flavors, adding an extra layer of warmth to the dish. Final indulgence. Sticky toffee pudding represents the peak of comforting desserts. It requires straightforward techniques and humble ingredients, resulting in a dish that is deeply impressive and universally loved. From the surprisingly moist sponge, courtesy of the plumped-up dates, to the luxurious, buttery toffee sauce, every bite is a pleasure. This classic British recipe is the perfect baking project for any home cook looking to create something special. Gather your ingredients and try making this simple, phenomenal dessert. It guarantees to be a delicious focal point for any special occasion or a much-needed morale boost on a chilly evening. Treat yourself, your family, or your guests to a generous portion of this enduring favorite. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.